This is the ZTE Axon 30, and today we would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So if we'll launch settings, enter the display category and expand the available values for the screen timeout option, we'll realize that the highest we can go by the default means of the system is only 10 minutes. Thus, if we would like to set this option to be never, we'll need to use the help of the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let me just quickly open the Play Store. At the search bar, type in Caffeine, just like so. Next, you gotta open the respective app page of this particular app that is called Caffeine. Keep the screen on. Then download and install the Caffeine app. And after you have successfully gotten the Caffeine on your smartphone, all that it's left to do is to launch the app itself and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And that will essentially mean that as long as the Caffeine application is active and running, so do not close it, your display will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.